Which lawnmower is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 budget lawnmowers that can keep your yard looking sharp without breaking the bank.
Product number 1, American Lawnmower 1204-14. First up is the American Lawnmower Company 1204-14. Priced at just $87.99, this 14-inch push reel mower caught my eye because it's perfect for small lawns and is super lightweight at only 19 pounds. If you want a clean cut without the noise and pollution, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4-blade reel design creates a clean cut without damaging the grass, which is key for maintaining a healthy lawn. The adjustable cutting height ranges from 0.5 to 1.75 inches, allowing you to tackle grass up to 4 inches tall. Plus, it's an eco-friendly option. No gas, no batteries, just you and the mower. With over 2,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear many people are finding value in it. Now, some people complained about it being less effective on taller grass. Here's the thing though, if you keep your lawn regularly maintained, this won't be an issue, and you'll likely enjoy the fresh cut experience it provides. This is perfect for you if you have a small lawn and want to enjoy some quiet mowing time. Skip this one if you have a larger yard that requires heavy-duty equipment. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you're looking for something electric, the next product might just fit you better. Product number 2, Lawnmaster MEB1114K. Next, we have the Lawnmaster MEB1114K, priced at $114.99. I was impressed by its powerful 11-amp motor that delivers 3,300 RPM, making it a solid choice for those who want efficiency without too much hassle. If you want something that's easy to operate and environmentally friendly, this one's worth a look. Why does this matter for you? The 15-inch cutting width combined with 5 cutting height positions, ranging from 1.4 to 3 inches, means you can customize your cut for your lawn's specific needs. It also features a 7-gallon collection bag, so you won't have to clean up clippings afterward, which is a game saver. It's lightweight at 28 pounds and has 7.75-inch rear wheels for easy maneuverability, making it perfect for navigating tight spots. However, a few users mentioned the cord can be a hassle if you have a larger yard, but honestly, if you don't mind the cord management, it's a small price to pay for such power and ease. This mower is ideal for those who want a reliable electric option without the noise of gas mowers. Skip this if you're looking for a cordless model, as this one requires a plug. For the performance and price, it's a great investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you want something even larger, the next mower on my list might catch your attention. Product number 3, Lawnmaster ME1218X01. Now, meet the Lawnmaster ME1218X01, available for $149.99. This electric mower features a robust 12-amp motor with a 19-inch cutting width. If you're after a more powerful machine for a bigger lawn, this is definitely worth considering. What's great about this mower is its high-efficiency design. With a cutting speed of 3,600 RPM, it can handle tougher grasses with ease. The 2-in-1 function allows you to either mulch or side discharge clippings, giving you flexibility based on your lawn care needs. Plus, it has 6 cutting positions, from 1.5 to 4 inches, to adjust according to the season. Some users pointed out that it's heavier than expected at 35 pounds, which could make it less maneuverable for some. But honestly, if you have a medium to large lawn, that weight translates to durability and better cutting power. This is perfect for homeowners with larger yards looking for an efficient electric mower. Skip this if you need something ultra-light or have very small spaces. Considering the features, it's a good value for the money. Now, if you're interested in a more manual approach, the next mower has a classic feel.
Product number 4, Great States 815-18. Let's talk about the Great States 815-18, priced at $116. It's an 18-inch push reel mower, and I really like its classic design. If you want a simple yet effective way to mow your lawn, this is worth your attention. This mower features 5 blades that provide a clean cut without needing gas or electricity. It's perfect for small to medium lawns and operates quietly, so you can mow without disturbing your neighbors. The adjustable cutting height ranges from 0.5 to 2.75 inches, giving you control over how short you want your grass. Plus, it's made from high-quality alloy steel, which means the blades stay sharp longer, reducing maintenance. However, some users felt that the assembly was a bit complicated. I'll be real with you, if you're not handy, this might frustrate you. But once it's together, the performance is solid. This mower is perfect for anyone who appreciates a traditional approach and wants to avoid gas or electric options. Skip it if you have a larger yard or prefer not dealing with manual labor. For its price, it's a great eco-friendly alternative. Now, if you're still seeking electric options, the last mower on our list might be the sweet spot for you.
Product number 5, Lawnmaster MEB 1216K. Finally, we have the Lawnmaster MEB 1216K, available for $125.99. This electric mower sports a 12-amp motor and 16-inch cutting width. If you're looking for something that balances power and size, this is worth checking out. It features 5 adjustable cutting heights between 1.4 to 3 inches, making it easy to customize your cut. What's also great is the 8-gallon collection bag, which means you can mow without worrying about stopping to empty it frequently. Weighing less than 33 pounds, it's easy to maneuver around your lawn, and the rear wheels help with navigation. Some users did mention it being a bit loud for an electric mower, which surprised me. But here's the thing, it's still quieter than gas mowers, so if you're coming from that world, you might find it manageable. This mower is perfect for those who want a compact electric option that doesn't sacrifice power. Skip this one if you need something ultra quiet or have a very small yard. For the features and performance, it's a solid choice. To wrap it all up, each mower has its strengths. From the eco-friendly manual options to powerful electric mowers, there's something for every budget.